In this program, we will check the different aspects of if statement. As the if statement is very simple, even then, by changing the values of its parameters, the if statement reacts differently. Let's check by starting the program. We include the header file stdio.h, standard input output for scanf and printf. Another header file is conio.h, console input output for clear screen and getch. Then we write main function whose return type is void, as we do not want to return anything from this program. Then we declare the variables required in the program. After this, we write clear screen function which clears the output screen. Then we write getch to hold the output screen so that we can view the results. Here we assign the value n is equal to 10. Now I write the if statement. If I write if n, then what happens? Actually, if statement works on true and false. If any parameter is written in the parameters, then it will react as true. Otherwise, it is false. So I should write some statement to show the result. N is equal to %d format specifier and then n. Here it will print the value of n if this condition is true. And I said that if I write any parameter, any value in the parenthesis of this if statement, then it is treated as always true. It means the very next statement of the if statement is executed. Let's check. N is equal to 10. Yes. So if I write 0, then what will happen? It should not print the next statement as this condition is false, because if always works on true and false, and this statement becomes false when we write 0. Let's check. Yes, the statement is skipped. Next, if I write not 0 means 1. Complement of 0 is 1. Let's check. In this, the result should be, if is treated as true, then this statement should be printed. Let's check. Yes, it's printed. Now if I write 1, then this statement should be true. Let's check. Yes. And if I write not 1, then it becomes 0. The statement should be skipped. Yes, it's skipped. Now if I write not n, then not n means not 10. Then the statement is false. N is 10, and we are saying if n is not 10, then the statement is false. So the statement should be skipped. Let's check. Yes, it's skipped. Also we can write the nested way. In the nested way, if I write this not operator, then not n becomes n. not cancelled each other, and it is an, now it's true because it is having some parameter. The first case we have seen, it becomes the first case equal to if n. So the statement should be printed. Let's check. Yes, it's printed. And if I remove all the statements and write n is equal to 1, then here we have written n is equal to 10. So it is overwritten and n becomes 1. It is also true, and the value should be printed n is equal to 1. Let's check. N is equal to 1. So in this way, by changing the values of the parameters of if statement, it reacts differently. So you can watch more videos by subscribing our channel Madhavam Tutorials.